What if the person you're trying to hold on to is killing you softly? Martyrdom ba ang tawag, ana? Or stupidity? Dear self, you have to be okay with leaving people behind. Dili dali, usahay lain pamation nga mamiya tagtawo sa atong kinabuhi. Pero what if kana nga tawo puros lang problema ang gihatag sa imohon? What if they are more of a parasite that is slowly feeding on you, sucking the life out of you? Kaniadto malipayon ka, but your union has been devastating to your emotional and mental health. Is the sacrifice worth the pain? Maybe you should consider genuinely letting them go. Leave them. Hopefully, this short inspirational video has given you the courage to let go. Kapoy biapod og sabot, mapalangan sa mga angay nimong buhaton. Kung kani nga video nakahatag og kagaan sa imong dughan, please do give it a heart and share. And if you need more inspirational quotes or a book to help you heal, Dear Self is for you.